Hello and welcome to another episode of SCQ Access Preview Show. I'm Monique Flowers.
And I'm Andre Skeen. We've officially begun round 3 of the competition. We started with 64 schools and now we're down to 16 teams.
Can you imagine though, Dre? Those top 16 schools had to fight off 48 to get to this point. That deserves a big congratulations.
Absolutely. These teams have had to put in a lot of work to get to this point. And guys, we salute you. Good job. I hope they're ready for the next leg of the race because starting today, the 16 will be cut to 8.
But just before we get to that, let's take a closer look at the top 16 and the schools playing this week. Right after the show at 6:30 p.m., Titchfield takes on Central High. Come tomorrow, Old Harbour meets Magotty. On Wednesday, last year's finalist St. Jago goes up against Knox College. Thursday's game will be between Jamaica College and Campion College. Friday's doubleheader will see Kingston College tackle Manning School and then Cornwall College competing with Calabar High. For sure, look at this lineup. Dre, good luck with your predictions because trust me, it's going to be a challenging one. So
listen, I already have this lock. It's in my now back down.
Okay.
For Monday, I give the 2017 champions Titchfield the win. For Tuesday, I see Old Harbour getting the better of Magotty. For Wednesday's match, I see St. Jago coming through, getting the better of Knox. Mark my words, this is definitely going to be a tough one. For Thursday, I'm looking to see Campion College take the win and send JC home. And on Friday, I predict that Mannings will yield to Kingston College. And of course, Calabar will get the better of Cornwall College. Simple as that.
Okay, let's do this once more.
Yeah.
Your predictions are Titchfield,
yes,
Old Harbour, St. Jago, Campion College, Kingston College, and Calabar High.
That's correct too.
Okay, well, let's see who remains standing at the end of the week. In the meantime, in between time, let's check out our school visit feature from Knox College. Take a look. The Access team hit the streets once more and we're at Knox College.
We're going to speak to the quiz team and see what's going on for SCQ Access. Let's go.
Hello everyone, my name is Tajan Jibisa and I am the captain of the Knox College quiz team.
Hi everyone, my name is Ruth Ann Blair and I'm a member of the Knox College quiz team.
The name is Douglas, Michael Douglas, and I'm a member of the Knox College quiz team.
The name is Ayodeji Adedipe. I'm a member of Knox College quiz team.
The name is Kajan Brown and I'm a member of the Knox College quiz team. My great man once said, hello everyone, the name is Kajan Brown and I'm a member of the Knox College quiz team.
I'm Alexander Bourne, principal at Knox College. I've been here as principal for the last 4 years.
So what has the support been like from the school and even the principal?
Well, definitely the support has been good so far from the student body. Everyone is looking forward to us winning. And the principal, even up to last night, gave us some strong words of encouragement.
Knox, it is known as the big school. It is also known as the home of excellence. It is one of Jamaica's top high schools. We have been in existence for 72 years now, founded in 1947. We are a school of the United Church in Jamaica and the Cayman Islands, and we are very proud of the legacy we have created for ourselves for the past 72 years.
So what's it like being the only girl on the quiz team?
There's nothing strange about it since I've known almost all of them for a very long time. Maybe it would have been more spectacular if I'd met them recently, but it's normal. No.
Totally normal.
It's quite normal.
It's an awesome set of young people. It's a huge squad. What I expect from them is to win this competition.
All right, so what would it mean for you guys to actually win the championship on the 50th anniversary of SCQ?
Well, I know especially for this team, we are unique in that we had winners of the junior school challenge quiz team and some of the more experienced members in the competition. So going out in our last year, winning the 50th anniversary of this historic competition would be excellent, and that's what we're really gunning for.
They have the skills, they have the knowledge, they have the temperament. They've worked really hard over the last few months in deep training, and I expect their efforts to pay big rewards at the end of the season.
So Captain, tell us, how are you feeling going into round 3 of the competition?
No, it's a good look going into round 3. We have prepared very tediously and we have come here to get the victory.
So what are you guys doing differently? Because last year you guys actually lost in round 3. So what are the new techniques that are in place?
Well, there's nothing really new, it's just to really prepare better for the buzzer section and so on, and fine-tune any negatives that will come across.
And how do you guys actually prepare for quiz?
All right.
On that one.
That is the secret sauce. I don't wish to disclose it.
Okay, understood.
Just be themselves, enjoy the competition. respect all the teams. I mean, all the teams, I'm sure, are working really hard, so they respect every competitor that they meet and they give their best effort in every match. If they do that, I see them going all the way to the championship and winning.
So what message would you send to your competitors?
We're looking forward to have a good match. But at the end of that first section, that minutes and the buzzer, there will only be one winner, and it will be Knox College.
Well, there you have it, the quiz team of Knox College.
Well, you know, of course, our PA Kingsley went to Knox, so them try win because it's not going to be peaceful in the studio.
Shout out to Kingsley though.
We head to our first Access break with the Street Access highlight just for you. Stick and stay. SCQ Access will be right back.
So give the real name for agent Sasso.
I don't know that one is.
Oh, I know it, you know, I don't remember.
I don't know.
Jeffrey Campbell. Leary. Agent Sasso. I don't know, you know. Jeffrey Campbell. Agent Sasso. My you supposed to know them, so man, you're not 10th grade.
Jeffrey Campbell.
What is family's real name? You know what I mean?
I don't know.
Leroy Russell. Don't know for sure. I don't know either. Leroy Russell.
Leroy Russell. What's Sophie's real name?
I don't know those.
I know that she's 17.
I don't know either.
I don't know. At the first time hearing her. Coffee? Wait.
Michaela. I did show one. Last name.
Michaela Simpson. Beanie Man's real name. Who's that?
I don't know.
Whoa. Davis. Who's that?
I'm quite sure. Hold on. Mark, Mary. I know Beanie Man. Moses Davis. Beanie Man.
Moses Davis. I don't remember the last name.
Moses Davis.